What is up, guys? It's Mike here, and today I have a very exciting review to do. Finally, finally, we were able to find not one, not two, but three Gravedigger training trucks. Alright, so as basically everybody knows by now, this truck is insanely hard to find. So, Monster Jam OCD is currently giving them away on his giveaway, which is awesome. Ryan, that is awesome. I appreciate that so much. It's so cool you're in our community and everything to have someone like you to do that. Also, I'll put a link in the description below. It's the 12 days of Christmas giveaway. But anyway, before all that happened, I was actually very lucky enough to find three Gravedigger training trucks all within a week. So, undoubtedly, Gravedigger training trucks are the hardest truck to find out of everything besides probably the one of 1000 Gravedigger. Now, these things are currently sitting on eBay. Um, Before, I guess Walmart's and stuff got a mix of Wave 5s and the Wave 5 mix kind of knocked down the price a little bit, but these things are still pretty expensive. They're going anywhere from about, if you're lucky, $35 was the cheapest one I found, all the way up to, some of them are going up to like 85, $90, which is insane when this thing only costs like $3. But yeah, so I actually was not making a toy hunt video. I was not expecting to stop at Walmart, and we found one of them, which is the one over here. We found this in Riverdale Walmart, which was the very first one I found. And then we ended up going to Walmart in Franklin, which I was able to find this one right here, which is the one we are going to unbox. And then I think about a couple days later I went back, I think it was last Friday, and they actually restocked the shelves, and I found this one as well. Now, these trucks are very rare. They are in Mix 5, as everyone does know. So on the back, Mix 5, very I don't know what happened with Mix 5. Uh it was like every major store outlet kind of skipped it. A couple Walmarts by me actually didn't even get Mix 4, and they actually skipped, they went from Mix 3 to like Mix 6. It was very weird. Mix 5, a lot of them were at Kohl's in the beginning, but this truck was very rare. You couldn't find this thing anywhere. And Mix 5, probably the common trucks were like, the Gravedigger Legend is definitely a peg warmer. Higher Education's pretty much a peg warmer. Blue Thunder, Dragon, Dragonoid is, I wouldn't say it's rare, but if it's in the store, get it, because they sell out pretty quick, and they're still pretty they're like 15 bucks on eBay. And the Nomad Avenger as well. Stinger, I think, would be pretty much a peg warmer by now, and Jurassic Attack is hit or miss. But Mix 5, a really weird mix, but now I have finally completed Mix 5. So with that being said, we're going to open this Gravedigger training truck and take a closer look at the fifth chase piece. Or no, the third? What is it, the fourth? The fourth? Fourth, fifth, or sixth chase piece of the year. Alright, so we're going to crack open this Gravedigger, and I know for a lot of collectors this must be kind of hard because this is a perfect card, and I know on the Facebook community someone posted it, and a lot of guys were like, "Oh God, no!" But yeah, sorry guys, I got two other Gravediggers that are a perfect card. I might do a giveaway with them or something, but yeah, let's crack open this perfect card Gravedigger training truck. Alright, so there it is, the Gravedigger training truck. Now, I haven't seen this thing at all, and this is the first time I'm ever opening one. Yeah, this is pretty, it hurt me a little bit. It actually did hurt a little deep down to open this. But, yeah, the Gravedigger training truck, probably the rarest truck besides, I would say, the one of 1000 Gravedigger. So, let's take a look at this thing. Obviously the ramp, or this little cardboard ramp, same as everything. Let's see. Now the poster for Mix 5, I believe, was Dragonoid. You get the special, awesome, problem card. You get a little green action figure dude, which that's cool. And let me just make sure the poster is Dragonoid. I think it was. And yep, it is Dragonoid. So the only way I remember that is because I remember saying to someone that the Dragonoid poster was the one with Dragonoid in that case. And this is actually the 3rd training truck of the year. Sorry, I thought it was the 4th or the 5th. It just feels like the last one because it's so hard to find. But this one actually did come out before Earthshaker. So that had to refresh my memory there for a bit. Alright, so now let's look at this thing. So, yeah. Get the little green dude out of the way. I mean, this is cool. In 2020, the trucks are going to come with a wristband, which I'm not too keen on that. I kind of like the little action figures. That's pretty cool. For people like me having a big wrist, that's kind of eh. But I understand for kids, whatever. So now moving on to the truck. So, yeah. Normal chase piece. You got the PKT printing. And you got these chrome, kind of like Christmas green rims. Really cool looking. Pretty sick looking. I like it. They look pretty cool. On the hood here, you got basically, let's see, you got like the flames of Gravedigger. Like, not like on the hood, but like if you look like on the top of the truck, yeah, kind of like that. Like on the, you know what I'm talking about, where it says like bad to the bone or whatever. Of course, I don't have a Gravedigger next to me. But, yeah, the roof of it, you got the Gravedigger on the side. And then this looks like a flame. No, it actually is damage. It's kind of like a scruff mark on there, but it's like a decal. And you got the metal up here with the damage, like all the chase trucks do. And yeah, so your perfect Gravedigger training truck. Really cool. I honestly thought, I gave up hope trying to get this truck, I'm not gonna lie. It was really challenging to find this thing. I was almost to the point where I was gonna drop like $50 on one on eBay just so I can have it to my collection. At this point in my collection, I actually just need one more truck now. The only truck I need is the one of 1000 Gravedigger. But yeah, I would say this was just as hard to find because it's just so rare. And if you guys are lucky enough to win Monster Jam OCD's contest on Instagram, or if you guys do get lucky enough at a Walmart, yeah, grab it. Even if you just see it there and you don't need it, I would grab it for a friend, grab it for someone in the community, because these things are really hard to find. I've only seen 3, and I have all 3. But yeah, really cool training truck. I'm really happy now I have the complete set here, as we'll get that on camera in a second. But yeah, really cool. I like the BKT on it. I like the rims. Even though this is probably the hardest training truck to find, I don't think it's my favorite one. And looking at the chassis, I thought the chassis had some sparkles in it. No, it might be my eyes playing tricks on me, but no, it doesn't. Really cool truck. Here. Wow, I can't believe I have it still. Pretty cool. So let's go see it with the other training trucks real quick. Alright, so pretty cool. So we're about to see all the training trucks. This is the first time I'm seeing it in person, to be honest with you. All of them out of the package. So we had the first one, that was El Toro. The second one, which is Megalodon, I would say that's pretty decently hard to find, at least now. The third one is Gravedigger. So this is actually training truck number 3, which is weird. And then we actually had Earthshaker. Really cool. Then we had Zombie. And then last but not least, Dragon, which I ended up getting not too long ago. So pretty cool. Not bad. I mean, the hardest ones I would definitely say are Megalodon and Gravedigger. And yeah, so hopefully you guys, if you have all the training trucks, that's pretty cool. If you don't worry, time's not running out or anything, but one day you'll have them. I never thought I would get Gravedigger, but pretty cool. First time I'm seeing all of them on the camera here. Really cool. That's just awesome to actually complete like the chase piece set. But yeah, I'm so happy I have the Gravedigger. If you guys have trouble finding it or whatever, if I find any more, which will be kind of difficult for me to find, but if I do, I will definitely let you guys know. And yeah, just keep updated with it. So let me know in the comments if you guys found Gravedigger or if you haven't yet. If not, don't worry. I mean, I know it's hard, but do not spend $50 for the truck on eBay. That's just absolutely insane. But yeah, with that being said, I hope you like this review, and I will see you guys in another video shortly.